Okay, so moving on to the first slide, why all-rounders? As I mentioned, we are an online learning platform for all extracurricular activities that lead to an outcome assessment, which is certification. We have partnered and collaborated with teachers across the spectrum of extracurricular activities, be it arts, be it music, be it dance, and a whole lot of other things. Our faculty whom we have engaged with or whom we have partnered with are both experienced as well as certified, who bring to their table their own tried and tested teaching methodology, thereby leading to a standardization in what they have to offer. Now, the beauty of our platform is twofold. One is this workshop, which we have putting up today and which our teacher partner Archana will lead and take us through this entire workshop, is basically a precursor to the entire course offerings which Archana has put together.
Hi, everyone.
Archana, you've joined? Okay, hi,
Yeah,
hi. Okay, okay. Everything is set,
yeah,
Archana?
I think that we
Okay,
could.
okay. Yeah, we can see you. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. So that is Archana there for those who do not know her, but I think most of the people who joined here today actually know Archana. Okay, so what I was mentioning is that our course content, our mode of delivery will be for the actual course. Should you be interested post the workshop, is once a week live classes supplemented by and those classes would be on Zoom, and that would be supplemented by 24/7 access to some pre-recorded course material which Archana has put together, and we'll talk about that a little later. And all of this is available 24/7 on this learning management platform. Now, this is what the platform has to offer. So today, while we are talking about art, and we are launching with 15 art courses from Archana, plus some additional workshops, which are short period courses. Archana covers basically all the three levels: basic, intermediate, and advanced. And what we have put together is 15 courses, which we are put and offering today. Besides that, we also have courses on music, dance, speech and drama, languages, acting, life skills, nutrition, and a whole lot of other things. So what we are launching is essentially with 100 courses today on this platform. Now, this is what the art courses are all about. Okay, so like I mentioned, today is just a precursor of 1 hour on what where Archana will explain the methodology she adopts while teaching, say, a particular course, and talk about the basics and how one should go about. But post that, should any of you all be interested and have that inclination for art and want to pursue a course in art with Archana, we have 15 levels and 15 courses, right from pencil shading, oil pasting, to illustrations, cartoon and caricature, canvas, Western art, Indian folk art, soft pastels, color pencils. So all this is already available on the platform. It's available for all age groups. The duration of these courses, each of these courses are 3 months, twice a week, 24 sessions. Session duration is 1 hour, and the mode of delivery is live classes plus pre-recorded course material. Having said that, and this is my last slide, along with launching the platform, we have also launched a talent competition. Now, most of you on this call yourselves may have some unique talent, maybe art or maybe something more than art, be it in music, be it in drama, be it some kind of an open stage performance. We have launched a very big talent contest across the country. It's available, it will be every quarter for all age groups across all languages. We can share more information should you be interested in performing on this platform. There's absolutely no entry cost, no entry charge, but yes, there are prizes to be won at the end of every quarter. With this, I would like to hand over to Archana to take us through the workshop for which we are all here today on this call. So Archana, over to you.
Yeah, thanks, Alvin. Thanks. And hello, everyone. Hello. Now, this is Archana from Bengaluru.
Hi,
Can you hear
hello,
me?
Archana.
Yeah, hi.
Hello,
So,
Archana.
hi. So, what actually I'll be teaching, like all the mediums, because we can paint. We can paint on canvas, which is one of the very easiest medium. Canvas is the easiest medium, but water painting, of course, is the most difficult medium on planet, as we know. So what I'll be teaching in the my course, which is a well-planned scheduled course. If you all can see me, you can see me, right? Yeah.
Yes, we
So
can.
these are the pencils. Yeah. So pencils, pencil, full pencil work, pencil shading, how to hold the pencil to how to throw the line. Then the this charcoal work. So charcoal work, which I will tell, like charcoal pencil, charcoal chalk, soft pastel, and charcoal sticks, charcoal powder. And you heard about the soft pastels like this. These are the soft pastels, which is a compressed powder. Very beautiful medium. Indirectly, it looks like a water painting only, without water. And these are the oil pastels, which everybody knows. The oil pastel, which is, we feel these are the kids medium, but we can do wonders out of these. Oil pastels, these are hard oil pastels, and these are soft oil pastels. These are very soft. We can just do the mixed media with the water painting or whatever. We can use these also to give a final effect also. In case if we are not doing full watercolor, 100% watercolor, 90% water, and 10% other mediums are allowed. So these are the artist soft oil pastels. Very beautiful medium again. And as I told, charcoal, pencil, soft pastels, and direct pen work. So I'll show you little bit of all, so that we can use it in our mediums, whichever mediums we feel comfortable or we are doing or we want to learn. So these are the pencils which we will be using. These are Staedtlers. However, we have Indian Camlin and Faber-Castell also. Staedtlers are very good. Now, just there are few very important things when we are doing, when we plan to do something. This is a normal sheet, just a normal sheet with one butter paper and one this A4 size. This is A3, A5 size and A6, A3 size. See, so all the size A6, A3, A4 and A5. See so half of each. It's all half of each. Right. So, and full imperial is a full chart paper and half imperial is the half chart paper. Right. So now I'll show you a little bit of pencil shading. Now, when I'll be showing you a demonstration, I'll be showing you of watercolor. But now how to do it, how to plan it, just random without seeing anything. So the practice is always the observation. Nature is the biggest teacher. So if you just observe around the trees, just trees, and casually also if you are sitting, just draw the trees. I'll make it with a little darker pencil. However, we always will have to draw it with HB or a mechanical pencil, which is very light, so that it doesn't disturb our colors. So I'm using right now 7. The trees, just observe the trees. What I have seen, my 40 years of experience, we've been seeing trees since birth, but I think it becomes the most difficult thing. What I'm seeing, the green part of it. We make the flowers, right? We can make the flowers. We can just place the flower, but to make the green, I feel most of the students really they struggle with the green. So I think if you do the green good, red or the flowers automatically looks beautiful. What I feel, mera experience. So the observation of the trees में trunk is important, because mostly this is the tree, a normal tree. The trunk will make the difference. Please let me know if you are not able to see it clearly. Is it okay? Okay.
Yeah, we are able to see.
Yeah. So that trunk is very important. Branches are very important, and mostly what I have seen, the problem and difficulty in students is they would like to make the tree in a very proper and a defined outline, which is wrong. Obviously, nature may nothing is very, even or very proper. It can go anywhere. When it grows, the trees can go anywhere. So this is very important to note, because if we are making the composition sceneries, trees are very important. To observe the clouds, then the clouds and the color of the sky, how it looks when it is sun rise and sunset, and even in the afternoon. It's very important to see the color of the sun when we and the sky and the clouds when we are doing this, and we have to plan accordingly, like what we are to do in the morning scene or afternoon scene or night scene or evening, because it depends on the shadow also. Morning shadow normally bluish, then evening shadow purplish it will come. That is a very important thing which we need to just see. So flowers, leaves, trees, sky, clouds, and the water body. After that, whatever it comes is an accessory. All accessories means, like if you have seen a stone somewhere, we just go on the roads, we never observe side mein kya cheez hai. In India we get a lot of accessories. Rocks hai, stones hai, these fence hai, kuch fence टूटे हुए हैं, and the small shops around, few banners, few marks like road, this thing, and lots of things which we can use in our random composition, random scenery. Like when we are making, we don't have to copy anything, we don't have to see, just attack the sheet or canvas. So that will depend on your observation. If you see all these accessories, which are very important accessories to observe. Now, if I'm talking about the pencil, normally we hold the pencil this way. Obviously, as we write, we hold it. So that we call it writing position. So when we shade anything, we shade it in a writing position. Now, the pencil, if we keep it under palm grip, it is under palm grip, like that. It is called shading position. And then we shade it like that. See, when we shade it with the writing position, we will get the mark of the line. We'll get it. So somewhere, if it is your style, you can go ahead with shading or from a writing position. But mostly, it should be done in a shading position. Now, with this, you will be surprised and shocked to see lots of accessories. Now we are getting what we were not having it when we were small. This is the stumps which we have, the set of stumps we get, which we thus mix and merge. Easily we can make a composition out of it very beautifully, easily, and the dark and light, and medium and white. Now, darkest is very easy. Dark is easy because we have to give the pressure. Jitna zyada pressure, it will be dark, obviously, but to control our pressure is very important. A little lighter, I have seen my experience, light, to make it light is very, very difficult for the students, which they are saying they are not able to do the light work. Now, if you have seen this, the eraser pencil, with the eraser pencil, we can give a just stroke of the branches and the trunk, the with the in the tree, we can make the veins. See, lots of accessories now we have, which we can use it. Now, this is for the pencil shading also, and charcoal also. Charcoal work also we can we use this. Right, so charcoal, I'll just show you the charcoal ones. Since time is less, then I'll show you watercolor and these charcoal pencils. Right now in India, we get these three. The blue is soft, very soft. Soft means the pores are little loose. So it is the darkest. It is the darkest. And this is neutral yellow, which is the medium. And this is the red, which is hard. Is written all it's written at the back, and this is the lightest, right? So dark, medium, lightest, all three colors, or same technique. The what we are doing in what pencil colors, the pencil shading, same with the charcoal we have to do. But yeah, I'll teach all in detail with full subjects, topics, styles, and observations in the class. Now these are the soft pastel which I just show you. Little bit I'll show you this also. Then we'll start watercolor. These are very soft medium. Very soft medium. So I'll show you in watercolor also that how to mix and match these also in that. Pen, white pen, black pen, how to use that. See? So this mixes like a canvas only. It looks like a canvas when once it is done. Very softly done. Very soft. It is a very soft medium, and even in this we can just give a scratch effect and all. So these are the oil pastel and soft pastel, a very high level shading and composition, figures, faces, still life we can make with these very beautiful medium with mix and match of that. So any question, please let me know. Please let me, so that I'll finish off this and we'll start with any question regarding these mediums, so that I can just clarify and then we can go ahead. Anything? Everybody okay?
Archana, yeah,
Yeah,
Archana,
please.
soft, as you said, soft pastels is a wonderful medium. Gives the transparency and opaqueness also, but only problem is the saving thing, right? It is very difficult to save the works. Do you have any tip for that?
Yeah, we get fixture. We get a fixture which is a spray. Yeah.
Yeah, but
That is
then when
called
we spray, the you know the freshness will be lost most of the times. Is that not
that is a problem with that. Even Camel Company, I had written a mail regarding this. So they say, they also say it is a problem because most of the then artists are not using it, because we are making it so fresh and nice, but when you spray, it goes out of the, it may drip to other color also, it goes mixed with other colors also. But I think if you, then what they say is you have to really spray it from a little distance. It should be from 1 to 1.5 feet height. The spray should be done.
Okay.
And I think after when it gets dry, it takes its own, the original color also. I personally have really never used the spray, to be very frank. I never use. Sorry, tell me.
How do you save the works then? How do you suggest us to save? Even I don't like to use fixative. So, but then this lot of smudging happens. So how to avoid that and save the pictures properly?
I always normally tell my students to keep it that butter paper on it if you don't want to get it framed. Otherwise, get it framed. You will be able to save it better. I have quite a few which I got it framed, and it's as it is. I don't think anything is blowing off, because it is so soft that the color blows off in a way after some time. So And it smudges with one sheet to another. So just keep a butter paper, and if you want to save it, right?
Thank
Any
you.
other
Thank
question?
you. No, fine.
Thank you. So I can start with a little bit of watercolor.
Sure.
Now this is in this watercolor, lots of things to learn. Important is the sheet. Very important is the sheets now, and the these brushes. So we have lots of different types of brushes which you keep on experimenting. What suits your style, actually, then you can go ahead with, and you can fix yourself with that also. Now these are the few new ones which is there. These are can you see it clearly? Yeah, I think you can see. Yeah, these are the little hard mop one. These are soft mop brushes. Mop brushes means it actually holds a lot of water. It holds a lot of water, and then when you paint it, it gives a beautiful effect. So mop here, but obviously experience needed. Some rigger brushes for a little thin work. Now these we get the set of these brushes, we get it in IKEA. The hog hairs, sorry, these mop hairs in IKEA. So that also we can order and buy. And now this one was, initially we used to get sable hair, which is squirrel hair, which is not allowed in India now. So it is when we were small, we used to get it for 20 rupees, 10 rupees. Now it is 12,000 and 20,000 also, one brush. So sable hair, which is a squirrel hair, is the best, but we are not getting it here in India. Now these are the Skoda brushes, which are very good. I think they are
Archana, you're gone on mute, Archana. And you're
anything. Sorry, hello.
no, no, you had gone on mute and your frame was frozen. Now it is fine. Go ahead.
Yeah, the power cut is there.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Now it's fine. Go ahead.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the brushes which I was talking about. I'll keep on telling you about the brushes and the sheets also. So now these are the brushes which you can see I have, and we use it, right? Now the flat brushes, round brushes, as it is when we use it. So flat, round, and these are the uh, Chinese brushes. See, Chinese brushes, these. So we use it for the flowers and all. See, even few artists who are actually very experienced, they make portraits with these, the flat brushes, very big flat brushes. Obviously it needs a lot of practice and a lot of work. So the sheet, now what the sheet which right now I'm using is a Canson Montvel sheet I'm using, and I'll show you one in a small and one in a little other sheet also, which is Lana, which is a very good sheet right now. But best sheet what in the world, right, is Archie's and Saunders. What Waterford, Archie, Saunders, Bohong, and Fabriano. Four sheets are very nice. So it depends a lot on the sheet we are doing. What we eat, these are expensive also, and most of the artists will say when you are learning, we think we are learning, we'll use a normal sheet. We'll use a normal sheet. When we learn properly, we'll use a, but it should be the other way. Like when you are learning, it should be a little expensive so that in one go only you will get the impression good. So now I'll be starting just random. I've not thought anything, what and how it is going. You just see. Just wetting the sheet. If you all are doing with me, you can do also, so that I can see and the problems what you are having. I'll just can tell you. So I'm just wetting the sheet. and I'll wet it from both the sides. Both the sides. आगे से भी, पीछे से भी, just wet it. Wetting it with a flat brush. And we are to actually run through 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds, because these are also like a cloth. The paper is like a cloth, like the matte finish it gives. And we have to let the water go inside properly. We can't just do it, start with pani laga ke, suddenly we can't start. Let the water go inside little bit, thoda andar jaake, then we'll start. So since it's wet, again, still we will be doing a wet on wet. Now, let it go. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, Archana.
So what I'm using right now, the colors. The second important thing is the colors. It is Magello Mission Gold. Mission Gold. Very exclusive, very nice color. Now the best color. Somebody's phone is, can you mute your phone, please? Because, yeah, just go on mute a bit. So I can hear some. Okay. So now these are the colors which I'm showing. Very nice colors. Daniel Smith. If you want to learn real good art, sheet and the colors important. Daniel Smith and Mission Gold colors. Since it's actually it is very expensive, but then we are not using it too much. We are not using it like oil or acrylic colors. We are using it very less. And just a minute. Okay, so very less colors we are using. So it is not that we have to buy a lot of colors since it's very expensive, but yeah. And the second thing is most of the artists will be having their own palette. Only 3-4 colors they will be using and their painting is done. We always buy lots of colors and we keep it. I don't think it is important or necessary, but when we are learning, we have to try and error to show. Just you know. Then what we will do? Slide band karke कहिए. So we will be. I'll start now with the here. Start with the sky. So in purplish, one color I'm keeping it here. Just few strokes in watercolor. Let the water do its work. Important is let the water do its work. First slight, very light. Let it do its work. Slight slanting. On its own, it will work. I'm not able to see it clearly. Please let me know because my eyes are here. I think you can see it. Yeah, it's very let clear. It go down. Let it go down. Now, important thing is when this is wet only, do the green. You can use the green because when students will feel, let it get dry. What actually we want is let it get mix, let it mix on its own. That is what is needed in watercolor actually. And just few strokes and you are done. I have not thought anything, nothing is in my mind, but still how to make it random and the practices. So now one more important thing is light source. We have to plan where the light is coming. If the light is coming from here, then yahan ka thoda sa dark we will be putting. We'll keep a little bit of dark here. We'll keep all light here. Let's see the water effect. ये बहुत सुंदर ऊपर आ रहा है. Leave it like that. Just tilt a bit. On its own it will, because it is wet from both the sides. And now what important one more thing is, if you touch the brush with your, on your hand, you will not feel I'm touching it. The same pressure is needed on the sheet. Don't press it too hard. Just the tip of it I'm using, and just a very, very, very little and soft effect. And the corner, let the corner come down. This is what the effect which is needed. When it dries, people say how it is coming, but we are not doing anything. The water is doing its work. Mostly the water is doing. See this work, which is, sometimes we feel how it is come, but automatically after some time the effect will be like that. See, now when the back portion of the brush, I'm just giving a slight tree trunk effect. Casually, if you make, you'll get hundreds of color combination, hundreds of styles in this style. I don't think ज़्यादा strokes लगाए, बहुत rare few strokes and it is done almost. Now after it gets, I'll show you two at a time so that it gets little dry by the time the other one I'll start. Little dark effect. Now how much the color to be used, how much on the it should be in the brush, and on the sheet we have to pour. That is important, which we have to learn gradually. Now if I feel I have to make a little bit, I like a lot, my favorite is a boat. I always use that. Since it's near, we will be making it a little dark. It's near to us because light is here. So this side it will be light, this side it will be dark. Light always we have to remember. Now important thing in water painting is the spray also, spray. So let it get a little bit dry and then I'll show you the second coat of this. Now this is the spray, right? Just spray a bit down. Let it go down on its own, see? And I think you'll be able to see. Let it go down on its own. See, now this is whatever you do, you will never be able to get this effect with the brush unless we just throw it. So simple. Let it go now. This I'm leaving it. I'll come back to this again. One more different technique I'll be showing you. I'm just keeping it to get it dry. One more technique, which is mostly in a so everybody's got a short sort of a card, visiting card, or the cards, bank card, which is now old, not used, or a hardboard kind of a thing, so small, right? So mostly the work, this spray work. I'm taking, see if you can see me. I'm taking some color in this. The color matching a little bit. In this, I've taken some color. And then I'm putting it here in the middle. I'm taking another, a little different tone, one side. Now, important thing is the spray. Now I'm just spraying this all abstract, your style. You can just develop it according to your hand. So one side, if I'm just spraying it, let it go that side. So these effect we will not be able to get otherwise. But when people ask how you have done it, it's very easy way to do. But then a little bit experience is needed, practice is needed. And this side, I will be just pouring it down this side. So an abstract scenery will come out. Let it go this side. Let it go down. Sometimes what I feel, my experience, sheet which students have done, it got ruined. You can do wonders with those sheets, because we are not doing it intentionally, but if it happens, that gives a very beautiful effect. Now can you tell me what we can decide on this, like what we can make out of it? I hope you can see this.
Yeah.
So we'll be making some composition in this as well. Which is right now can be done little faster. See, even we cannot, copy ourselves, because you never know what next time how your water will flow. So in this type, I have at least 150 to 160 techniques, which I'll be teaching in watercolor. Anybody trying with me? I can see Geeta ji, you were trying. Can anybody show me how much?
But mine is coming very bad.
No, but it depends on the sheet. If you are using, I don't know what type.
I'm simply using drawing book.
Yeah, that normal drawing book. So water, it doesn't take a lot of water there, or it actually वाटर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है बहुत जल्दी से। And anybody else trying?
I am observing you do, Archana. Later I will try and definitely share my practice works with you very soon.
Same here, Archana, I am observing.
Yeah, Geeta
Because
ji,
I don't
can you
want to divert my,
turn on mute?
yeah, I don't
So
want to
much
divert on
like-
other things.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Who is talking with me? Geeta, can you keep put your phone on mute?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, who was just talking to me? Can you come again?
This is Usha Archana. I am observing you do it. I will definitely practice and do my work very soon and send it to you.
Yeah, please.
Share with you. Sure, sure. I would love to. Right now, I'm observing you. I'm watching you do it.
So now I'll give it a time. This also I'll give some time to dry. So and I'm coming to the first picture now. Now this is my. Okay, but I know that is also not dry. So then I'll show you another one. This you will love to see. 1 minute. See now, in this, normally we start with the lightest shade. So
Archana,
I don't know what I'm making also, I don't know. Can you hear me? Eldrin, anything you want? to ask?
yeah, you'll have to move the sheet a bit to the left,
Sorry.
to your left. Yeah.
Yeah. Is it
Yes. Perfect.
okay? So I'm starting, see, just a random stroke. I don't know anything. Just random. But it's a so beautiful stress buster. When you do, you will understand you should have done it before. Yellow and little orangish after that. And then I'm going ahead with the little purple. Since all the, so I'm making a
Archana, can I ask you?
yeah, please go ahead.
Was this sheet wet or is it dry?
Yeah. This was dry sheet. This was a dry
Okay.
sheet. Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know how it is mixing, but let's see what it will come. Yeah, it takes a little time to get it dry and then to give the second coat. That is for sure. That's why I've started 2-3 at the same time. So can anybody guess what it is coming up to?
Forest area, sunlight and trees.
That's a good guess. Hmm.
Is it street?
Yeah, that's a street. Yeah. So now the colors in the companies, different companies, we get different colors. Like Payne's gray is one of the beautiful colors which gives us a very dark effect. Very, and normally black we are not using. Normally black we are not using, and So Payne's gray fulfill that need of using the black. Now, mostly this is the building, right? So we are not actually doing the one build this thing, windows and the stairs or whatever, the balcony, that we are not supposed to make. That we should not, rather uh, it can be done in just a random, like people think how you understood, like most of the artists how they are understanding what it is, but need not show the detailing of that. Not important, right? Once it is little dry, then we can show a little detailing in that. Once it is wet on wet, see, it's wet on wet, and however the sheet is not wet, but it is wet on wet when we are doing sheet is not wet, right? And now this space, I'm showing the light here more, dark more here. So I need to be little lighter this side. But the same technique of now for one more thing which uh, if you all can practice this, in this I'll show you, but separately I need to show, that is very important work. If you are making the figures, if you are making the can you see me? Yeah, can you see me now? Yeah. So if you are
Yes,
making the
yes.
figures, a circle and a body, big body and leg, that's it. So, and one actually it should be in always in motion. One leg, it should not be in a straight. The figure should never be straight. It should be in motion. So if you show one small and one big also, it's okay. Seems like it is walking. Circle, ovalish, and like that. Seems like it is walking. So figures very important when we are showing in that. Now, right. So this, in this I'll be showing. In this I'll be showing the figures a bit. By the time this is getting little dry, just okay, Payne's gray, and I'm just showing little thin brush I'm
Even a
using.
little to the left.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. 1 minute.
Thank you.
Is okay now? Yeah. Now, so the thing which is left here automatically will be, just leave it left. Now dark down, so I'll be giving a little dark purplish Payne's gray and a slight uh, detailing. So can use your finger, show the detailing here, some abstract composition. It seems sunset hai.
It's coming beautiful.
Thank you so much. I'll be happy if everybody will be able to make it after the class. Please try.
We have to.
After the class, please try.
Your tricks and techniques are very good. Excellent.
Thank you. And very easy actually. So keep
Yeah,
on doing one
absolutely.
or two. We will do. I make at least 8 to 10 paintings a day.
I can see that.
Since ages it's been like that. And sometimes you feel okay, ye acha aaya, ye acha nahi aaya. That also is fine, no?
Yeah.
Fine, it's okay. So now you can give a little bit of detailing here. And what I was showing here was the light coming here. So this place, it is a sort of an what that umbrella. Some shops, umbrellas that we can show, and some small figures since it's little far. So figure which is very important, just see. And that's it. Nothing else is needed. People, I give my students like different types of figures and all, how to see start observing your family members on the street, their postures, positioning. When it is near to you, obviously it will be little darker. Now, if we want, we can show the little bit of shadow here. And little lighter this side, so we can use a little colorful figures as well this side. And a little bigger. So right now I'm using camel and Daniel Smith and Mission Gold. All the colors I'm using. Mix and match of whatever. Mostly my palette is purple and yellow. I love yellow. I love purple. So I don't know. It comes like that somehow. So now this place I'll be making a little this side. And I'm making some detailing here as well. Since here it is a shadow. Not very clear though. So don't think this we are making some like particular any formation. It's not like that. Let leave something for the imagination of the viewers. So that's why they used to say if somebody is standing more than half an hour in front of a painting, and that's a hit. So in one at a glance only, when you understand, then what's a big deal? How it is done, how see, very light effect, no need to just be tensed about like if it is coming or not. And if it is coming also, I'll just spray and make it go the way other way. Now I will be using little bit of purplish to give now slight detailing in this. Now just a random hat. Now the softness for the edges need not be seen proper. Just take it out like that. Just take out the water and just take it out like that. The rays kind of a thing. I'll just do one thing in this is a little bit spray. I'll spray it down. I don't want anything very particular. Right? And just a sprinkle of water. That's it. If it after it gets dry, maybe some other hand needed. So by the time I'll show you I'll send you the picture of all this. See this one. Slight drying it is. Since we have wetted from both the sides. This was wet on wet. One was little wet, one was dry. So see with this can take out some colors, the tissue. If you want to, just softness will be there. Actually softness is needed. See, this is what I'm not going to touch. In this, it is not dried yet, but still I'll be showing you one. The marine theme which I really like to make. Now, how to give it? Nobody's saying I have not seen this type of boat or a ship. कोई बात नहीं, ये वाला ship देखो. Since this is the dark side, still dark. Just the finishing of this now. We see a lot of bamboos or maybe they anchor the ship or a boat. These are the accessories which I want everyone to just start observing. Half work is done. Even when I am watching television, which I'm really very fond of, I just see light source in that, the faces, and I keep on just practicing there. Since I have not learned art anywhere, it's a God gift. So just learning on our own. Just on my own, I'm learning. That's it. So whatever we are making, don't know what it is coming. If I start singing, that means I've liked. If I don't sing, I don't like that. So in this, all these the classes and the courses which I'll be taking, and I take lots of ideas, styles, observations, and technique of that first, and then we will be learning. And I'm sure everybody will learn it. This is what I want with this. Right now it is wet, so I am just giving this effect. That's it, little bit. And mostly I use white. So white is not allowed in a way, but nothing is allowed or not allowed in the world. So it's your choice. I use white of the tube or a poster or a pen. I love my pen. This I use. So a thin line, sometimes it is with the pen. And brush obviously we can do, but pen also, where once it is fully dry. So I can send the picture once it is fully dry and how to give the white in this. Right now it is not dry. So, and I'm not using dryer. I don't use dryer. If you want, you can use. If you want, if you don't want, don't use. Now I'll show you all three final. And if you all have made some, please show me if I can suggest. दिखा दो यार.
I was making लेकिन बहुत खराब आया इसलिए I can't show.
No problem. It comes like that only. अभी इसका सूखने के बाद एक और इफेक्ट जो आएगा वो बहुत अच्छा आएगा, मगर let it get dry first, then we'll see. This one, and now this one will be.
Once it is dry, can you post it?
Yeah, I'll sure. See, this is, since it was, this has got a cabbage here. This is called a cabbage effect. If you keep it in an uneven surface, so this will get a cabbage effect. But there are artists who are working with the cabbage effect also. How to make it like a composition now with a cabbage on it. So what I tell my students since 30, 45, 40 years, that nothing is wrong in art. Bus. That gives them a full confidence. Ma'am, nothing is wrong, nothing. बच्चे लोग गलत करके ले आते हैं, then they will say fix it. और you won't believe actually उसमें और सुंदर इफेक्ट आता है, which we are not planning, which we are not doing it intentionally, but वो हो जाता है. हो सकता है यहाँ पे एक बिल्डिंग का इफेक्ट हम दे दें. So for that, normally I show flowers, but the flowers मुझे लगता है बहुत लोगों ने they can do, so मैंने flower इसीलिए नहीं बताया. I have done a lot of flowers workshops. मैं यहाँ buildings का इफेक्ट दे रही हूँ, very light with a ये angular brush. This is the angular brush and just one stroke and it is done. So इसका cabbage मैंने थोड़ा सा छुपा दिया. And I will be using some here as well, but that will be light means occurish. So yeah, so once if you are learning, I will make sure my students learn the color's name so that we don't say it is red or we don't say it is blue. The color name should be very clear. And name से ही उसको color को बुलाना चाहिए. This also will be given some white effect in this once it is dry. So you will not believe how it will look after that. Looks beautiful. You can give a little bit of doors and windows effect here. Since the light is here, we'll make it little darker here. The light was here. Just want to leave this white space as it is. And the composition here. Which technique you feel is the best, all of you, please give me also the feedback.
This one.
ये वाली सबसे easy
इसलिए
wherever the water is going, color is going, let it go, let it flow. Now, most of the artists will never use the green direct. They will make the green and use it. But at the same time, it depends on your style, your work. So what I normally do as a guide teacher, like if you are learning, if you want to learn, it's not that if you are learning from me, and it's not that I want you to do like me. You can do obviously better than what the teacher is telling. At the same time, the signature style, what my way of teaching is, I want my students' signature style. I want that to come out. So that is, if somebody will see, like if Hussain or Tayyab Mehta or Ram Kumar's painting we see, we understand, okay, this is the Hussain ka painting, without even reading the name. So that is called as a signature style. That I enhance the strength in my students, and obviously the weaknesses we will be learning more. So this is what I have done in this, and this and this. So all three I am showing first all together, so that can you see this one? Can you see this one? And you all can see this one, all three.
excellent, Archana.
Thank you.
All three are beautiful.
Fantastic.
So this all three are here, and a little bit of final work I gave, because I think since it was not wet on wet, it dries fast. Wet on wet dries obviously late, and both the side wet, it will take more time. Now, slight more detailing in this. So now, since the light is here, I'll not show a lot of detail here, maybe down. While we come down, the first coat you saw, the second coat just random, the third coat little bit detailing when it is little wet only. Otherwise, the defined lines, none of the artists like. If the lines are seen defined totally. See the effect of the sprinkle, यहाँ पे अच्छा आया, very nice it has come. And I want to give some effect here. Am I overshooting the time, Aldrin? Is it okay?
Fine, it's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Archana.
So one side light, one side little dark it will be. It come down, little darker I'll give, just a random strokes. Let the viewer's imagination like what it is. not showing the detailing. Maybe once it is fully dry, if that effect will come a bit more.
Archana, it's gone off the screen.
Is it okay now? Is it okay?
Yes, it's
It
fine.
is nice. It's nice.
Again, it went off the screen.
Is it? I kept it there only.
Now it's okay.
1 minute. I'll show it close.
No, it's fine.
Maybe
It's fine, Archana.
1 minute. I'll just show you the closer. Yeah, now you can see. My another this thing. You can see the closure view.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
I'm showing in this picture the other mobile. I'll be using a little bit of white in that after it dries, but not now. And now even this one and that one. See, you can see the closure.
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
Just in my another app, I'm showing another this thing, gadget mobile. I'm showing. Can you see this one clearly?
Yeah.
This, yeah, and this one.
Yeah, all
Yeah, and any
Yes.
question, please let me know. And this one.
Wonderful. Is there any reason why you do not use dryer to dry the work from first stage to the next?
That hair dryer.
Yeah, hair dryer. To dry.
Sometimes, yeah, the artists say that the color gets a little dull, while when after it gets dry. I have never used. And yeah. So what I do is I sometimes wait, okay, let it get fully dry. Then even with the, I don't think with the this thing dryer, it dries fully 100%. So one day after maybe.
Yeah.
Because this is the pen which I use, and then I use it for the thinner line. See, can you see? I'm showing in the closer my another mobile. Can you see the detailing? I'm showing?
Yes, yes.
Since it's dry, but it is still showing some. See?
Asha, which pen is this?
There are white pens. This is a very nice pen, which is 1 minute. Yeah. Uniball it is, yeah, Uniball. See, you can see this. I'm showing Uniball. That's a cap. I'm showing cap. So this is the pen. Uniball. So things like that. There are many things which I'll be showing when you'll take admission. Lots of things, lots of different gadgets plus styles, ideas. I think that's it. I've given the style. Now all three are here where can you see all? Now any question, please? Any question? Any thing which I can answer? Any question? I can see Rekha, I can see Rashmi, Najma, Usha. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
You are audible, and it's our turn to practice. It's that it doesn't come that easy. Lot of sketching has to be done, lot of
Yeah,
practice
drawing,
works. Yeah.
Drawing is very important. That's what I always tell. So always whenever my students who are taking admission, normally that is the question, like, should we start a canvas or, directly on this thing, we start? I said, look, if your drawing is not good, then if you color it also nicely, then what, it's not no big deal actually in a way. You have to learn drawing first, a basic, and uh, mm, then a lot of things, then you can just add. See, I never planned all these. I just did directly on the spot when I'm showing my students, and I'll show you a few more works which you'll get idea, like how for the flowers and all. See, these are the flowers. So we'll be learning lot of flowers, different types of flowers on different types of sheets. Like this is on Saunders water coat and Daniel Smith colors. So Saunders is a very exclusive and very expensive sheet, but at the same time the colors are very bright on that. See the flowers. and and that also I'll show you. It's not that I'm only working on very expensive sheet. I'm working even on what you call it, ivory sheet. Even on ivory sheets, I'll make it. Now these are this one just got selected in the international competition. So this is on the Lana.
Can't see.
Can you see?
No, can't see.
I'm on another. Can you see?
No.
Because
No, you'll have to click, whoever can't see, you can, Archana's on two phones. So all you have to do is click on both.
Okay.
Click on
I'm
both the windows.
another phone. You can just check where you can see me.
Yeah. Yeah, Archana's on two mobiles. So you will see on the top or on the side two times Archana. All you need to do is go and just click there on both, and it will share side by side.
Also got selected in one of the international competition, and this all my original work. I just showed you just now just random this thing strokes, yellow orange strokes, and I converted into a temple scene. Can you see me, everyone, now, or should I bring it there?
Yes, we can see you.
We can see. Yes.
And this one now, important thing in watercolor is you can see a picture. This was a photograph, and you are to plan like which portion, which part of the painting you want to keep it as a focal point. So I wanted to keep this bags in a focal point, and the light is coming from here. So the light is coming from where the bag one. So this is also the sheet which is Ghana. And I will tell you everything from where we can get it, how we can buy it. Now this is a normal handmade sheet it was. And what I feel is it's very old sheet of mine. I think 30 years back I bought it. So in this also this is a photograph, but I have just selected this portion as a light and two focal points. The carpet, which is dry for drying, it is just see like this. So I have just given it like that, a sprinkle. So how to give it, how to transform the photograph into your style, your idea. Nobody is there to say what you have done. You never know where any painting clicks and you get recognition out of it. So this was also a board shape, red shape, and then I gave it a effect of, see, just wet on wet. Nothing much we have done, just a blue and a green. On its own, the water is mixing. Just now, as you have seen, the effect is given like that only. These are just a little white effect which I was telling I am showing. The sky with one few strokes, just few strokes down it is, see. So these are the pictures, and this is a mono scheme. Mono scheme black and white pen. See. So mostly the white is left, little band, just a random strokes here again the same. A little bit of detailing, then the wires and all. Important is the white effect. Why it is important? Because we have to put the negative effect with this. So negative is very important. This is what the flowers which I showed, and these are the again the marine theme. So I teach according to the themes, styles, your hand, your interest, your observations, and yeah, important thing is interest and observation, which is very important. So hundreds of paintings. Never think it is wrong or we are not able to do. How to fix it also. What I will teach you, like what it is wrong, how to fix it. Important is how to fix it. नहीं तो एक खराब हुआ, it's not that we have to throw it. We are not throwing anything. Mix and match of a charcoal and a watercolor, some other colors and a watercolor. So that is also there. This is the flowers. These are the composition. See this composition with a little bit of greenish, yellowish, bluish, and a dark, same style. The temple scene. So the rainy season scene, and in this I have used soft pastel. In this I have used soft pastel and a little soft oil pastel. And this, see this one, the salt effect. It is a salt effect. In this, if you sprinkle salt on water, it will give this effect. So these are just a practice work, different color combination, which giving good look effect, color combination, how it is. So we have to keep on doing thousands of painting. So this was something maybe in my house. So I just made it a composition with it. And since an Indian, incredible Indian series I have, a lot of Indian pictures, Indian monuments. I hope you all liked it. This one.
Amazing, amazing.
So with the photograph, see this is also that the card one. With the card
Yeah.
up and down, and it's converted into a composition.
An entire gamut of variety.
Yeah, variety. Lots of varieties, and that's what everybody's got a different hand. My sister is different from me. So everybody is different. So I really want to enhance everybody's hand. Your idea, your perspective, your style, which I want your signature style to be. Now this is a realistic water painting. Realistic water painting, so not a loose one. More or less like that we did today a bit. So like that it is lots of paintings to show, and I hope you all like it. Can we close it, Eldrin? And
Yes.
any question, please let me know if I can answer.
Yeah, I think
How, Archana, how
Yeah,
can we show difference between the morning shadow and the evening shadow? See if we, by adding blue violets.
yeah, that's what I told. Mornings little bright, so we show it in a bluish, ochreish,
Mm.
and
Mhm.
evenings while after the sunset, little bit sun, we show it in a purplish. A
Okay.
little dark it becomes. So you observe it outside also whenever you can.
Yeah.
And
So yeah,
else,
sometimes around 5 p.m. if it is on ground where there is brown,
purplish.
on brown also we show it purplish.
Yeah, on because
If it
look,
is
when we see the original picture, the shadow
Mhm.
is brownish. So we
Yeah.
tend it is a nature. It is a nature to make it exactly same. But
Yeah.
we are to actually interpret it in our style and way. Nobody is going to say anything. There is a hot and cold color, this thing balance that I can understand. Light and shadow balance that I can understand. But at the same time, it is actually artist rendition.
Okay. Okay.
Just show me
Thank
one or two, all of you, then let me see what we can do best. Okay, Aldrin, now you want
Sure.
to say something?
no, I think everyone. I think
Yeah,
everyone
Aldrin.
really.
Al, you're on.
Yeah, can you all hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. No, I think Archana, it was fantastic. Yeah, and really you were able to showcase most of the courses which we are offering.
Yeah.
At least a brief preview of what all is available and what all you can help share with everyone on the call. So thanks so much for that, and to everyone, I really hope you all not only enjoyed this workshop, but also probably you all got a few ideas, a few thoughts from Archana, and I'm hoping that you all really enjoyed it. And once Archana gives us the final pictures of what she takes us pictures of what she drew today, we'll share that to each of you all, along with in case anyone is interested in pursuing a course with Archana going forward. We like I mentioned, these courses are there. They are 3 months courses, 24 sessions, very affordable. So I would like you all to we'll share a lot more detail tomorrow on that. And if anyone is interested, we can take it forward, and we can also have that discussion with Archana. Okay, thanks so much
Sure.
for joining. And
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
and have
Wonderful experience.
and have a wonderful time going ahead. Thanks so much.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you, Archana. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Archana.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Archana.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Archana.
Bye-bye.
Bye.